Hi, I'm Steve Shankar from Appliance, and let's talk about electric ranges. We hear about appliances breaking down, and it's true, about 1 in 10 needs service in the first year. Electric ranges, they're mostly the exception. So in this video, we're diving deep into the most reliable electric ranges for 2025 based on a whopping 33,000 plus service calls we logged just last year. So we got the data. Let's break it down. Why are these electric ranges mostly reliable? Well, it's simple. They haven't changed much. Electric ranges are refined technology and have been around since the 1920s. Also, unlike gas ranges, where spills can mess with the igniters, which, by the way, is the most common repair in this industry, electric ranges have those heating elements tucked safely under glass. When I started here at Yale in 1986, G and Whirlpool were laser focused on electric cooking. They didn't even produce a gas range back then. However, when you add features, you're adding potential points of failure. Service rates are way below the industry average, so let's look at the most reliable for 2025. Remember, service is the real challenge. There's a shortage of qualified repair techs, so picking a reliable brand is more important than ever. Take a look at this chart. This is based on electric ranges sold in the last 12 months. It breaks down reliability by brand. Here's the kicker. Electric ranges average 6.9% service rate. That's way below the industry average of 9%. But as you add features, the rates go up. For example, Basic G, 5.2%. More Feature G Profile, 8.5%. The high-end Cafe, 11.9%. Same story with LG, 3.6% for the Basic, 7.3% for the more featured Studio line. Now, why do we sell just 2 manufacturers with 6 brands? LG and G are your best choices for reliability. We also sell more induction electric ranges, and Boston has more gas and electric. Let's look at the problems. The main ones are the control panel flashing and burners not heating. Control panels are the bigger problem. Electric ranges can also trip breakers depending on your breaker's amperage, so make sure you've got the right setup of how many amps if you're converting from a 12 amp gas setup. Look, at the end of the day, electric ranges are a solid choice. Just remember, more features mean more potential issues. So our advice is still, as always, find a good service provider, even on a reliable product like an electric range. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next video. If you want to learn about the most reliable brands for this year, click this video and thanks for watching.